Hey good people, in this video, I'm sharing the makeover of a space that helped me release 40 pounds in 2021. The space was functional for sure, but shabby on the aesthetic. After I made over my body from this to this right here, I looked at my home gym, grabbed some paint, and I got to work. It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. After using my home gym to lose 40 pounds, I wanted a space that would help me keep it off. So I reflected on how I used the space so I could set some specific goals. My home gym is in the corner of my unfinished basement in my 1925 bungalow. As you can see, I like to do floor work and standing work. I definitely needed better floor covering. My next goal was to create more of a spa vibe. That means painting the walls, creating some artwork, making it feel roomier. Once I set my goals, it was time to get to work. I'm starting with my favorite DIY transformation, paint. Cheapest, quickest, fastest way to get some wow factor. I'm actually using some leftover paint from creating an accent wall in my YouTube studio, which is on the other side of this soft wall. Here's a quick clip of me painting the accent wall. The link to the full video is down in the description box. Make sure you check it out. That accent wall turned out pretty dope, didn't it? Real quick, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I know you don't want to miss a single video. The paint is really giving this space that cozy spa gym vibe that I'm after because listen, I want to maintain this weight loss. Now it's time for some DIY art. I already had this great mirror. As you see, it was just a raw wood, had some spare paint, and I painted it out. I also created an affirmation painting. I had this spare canvas. I even had these spare letters, and voila, self-care love. Final artwork, a mud cloth inspired painting. Took me no time at all. There's a link below for supplies so you can do your own DIY artwork. Having the right floor was a big deal. I ordered this great floor gym mat from Amazon, links down below. I hung a pair of cream-colored draperies on the gym side, so that soft wall had a lot more style. The new gym mat really acted as an anchor for my new home gym. I can't wait to show you the setup. I had so many great ideas. My challenge was, could I pull it all together? Of course, my Peloton took center stage. Now let's check out the room setup. Hey, wait a minute, that's a little fast. Let's try that again. Now this is more like it. Now this space has everything I need to inspire me to keep the weight off. I added a sitting bench so that I could do seated exercises sometimes. Gotta have a dope yoga mat. Perfect for push-ups, sit-ups, and floor work. You can shop the look, the links are below. I hung my DIY artwork and affirmations to create my own empowerment zone. You can easily create something like this or even better in your own home. Honestly, I only had a budget of $250, so I had to repurpose most of these things from other places in my home. I repurposed the white shelving unit and the teak shelving unit. They were just shoved in a closet. Come on, I know you have things that you can repurpose and make your space look fabulous. With just a little imagination, a few repurposed items, and some DIY sweat equity, you can do it. Here's what my home gym looked like before the big makeover. I gotta be honest, it was drab, the floor was really cold, and honey, it just didn't look good. But not anymore. Now this is a space you want to wake up and get to work in. What's your favorite part of the makeover? Let me know in the comments below. Goal number 1, painted those drab walls? Check. What room do you want to make over in your home? Goal number 2, give it that spa, home gym vibe? Check. My $250 budget was spent on my floor mat, my yoga mat, and a light cover. Trust me, you don't have to break the bank to create some magic. Goal number 3, cover that floor with that funky, dope gym mat? Check, check. I'm pretty proud. This was a huge accomplishment, and I completed everything in a single weekend. I love to do things the Faraha way because everybody deserves a custom on a budget experience, even me. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Leave me a comment and let me know what room you want me to redesign next. I will see you all in the next video.